Hello students, welcome. I am again here with our new exercise, that is exercise 11.3 from our chapter mensuration of class 8. Okay, so here we start with our question number first. Question number first is, just see the diagram. Two boxes are given and we have to find which box requires the lesser amount of material to make. So what we have to find out here, we have to find out the surface area, total surface area. So first box, it is of the cuboidal shape, and the second box, it is of the cubical shape. So for cuboid, we know that total surface area is 2 LB plus BH plus HL. So we have find the total surface area. So putting the value of LBH in the formula, we have find the total surface area. Same the second box, it is the cubical box, and for the cubical box all dimensions are same. Okay, and we know that the total surface area is 6 into side square, so we have find the area by putting the value. Now the question is here, which box require the lesser amount of material to make? So by comparing both, we can find it out that which box require lesser amount of material to make. So here we are finding that the cuboidal box. Okay, when we compare A and B both, we find it out that the cuboidal box, it require lesser amount of material to make. Yes, our second question, a suitcase is there with the dimension is given to us and it to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. Now the question is here, if the width of the cloth is 96, then you have to find out how many meters is required to cover 100 such suitcase. So when we have to cover the suitcase with tarpaulin cloth, means we have to find out the total surface area. So here by putting the value in the formula, we have find the total surface area. Now whatever the total surface area, it is equal to the area of tarpaulin cloth. Okay, the total surface area, it is equals to the surface area of suitcase. So for tarpaulin cloth, how we find out the area? L into B. L is unknown, B is known to us. So from here we have find the length of tarpaulin cloth that is required to cover one suitcase. But here the question is required tarpaulin for 100 suitcase. So we multiply that length with the 100. So we have find it out the tarpaulin cloth that is required to cover 100 such suitcases. Okay. Yes, the third question here it is, we have to find out the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square. So surface area is 600 centimeters square and side we have to find out. So what we know that side is 6 side square. So that 6 side square, it is equals to 600. You putting the value in the formula. So from here side square is 100, and when we are finding the square root of that 100, it is equals to 10. So side we are finding it 10. Now our fourth question, all the question are little bit same. What you have to do, you have to put the values in the given formula, but for that you have to learn the formula. If you have learned the formula, then you can easily put the value in the formula and you can find your answers. For example, this question number 4, same question, what is given to us? The measurement for a cabinet. For a cuboid, measurement is given to you. Now, where we have to paint? We have to paint its surface area, but not the bottom of the cabinet. Okay, means length we are having, breadth we are having, and height we are having. So what the surface area is? Surface area is 2 LB, BH and HL. But here the bottom is not concluded. So 1 LB we have subtracted from it. Okay, or you can say in the little surface area we have added the top. Whatever you can consider. And while putting the value, we can find out the surface area. Question number 5th. Our question number 5th is, just have a look to the question. Question number 5th is, Daniel is painting the walls and the ceiling of a cuboidal hall and dimension LBH is given to us. Now the question is, from each can of paint 100 meters square of area is painted. Question is here, how many cans of paint required if she need to paint the room? So same question, what we are having? We are having LBH. We have to paint 4 walls and the ceiling means floor we are not considering. So we are not counting the floor in the formula. Just see the formula very well. We are not considering the bottom. We are only considering 4 walls and the top. Now putting the value, we are finding the total surface of that particular hall. Now here the question is the number of canes required. So number of canes required is equals to total surface area and it will be divided by the area that will be divided by 1 can. So the result we are getting as 5 canes. 500 when divided by 100, the result we are getting as 5 canes are required to paint the room. Okay. Yes. Now here our sixth question. Sixth question is, have a look, two diagrams are given to us. Now the question is how they are like and how they are different. This you have to tell, and one more thing you have to tell. The which box has larger lateral surface area? Larger lateral surface area means we are not considering bottom and top. So we are using the formula that is lateral surface area. So have a look. First one is a cylinder. So what is the lateral surface area of cylinder? That is 2 pi RH. So we have put the value and we are finding it as 154 centimeter square. And now the question is, second is cube. For cube it is 4 into side square. So it is 196. So which box has larger lateral surface area? When we compare both, so what we have find it out that cube has larger lateral surface area. Now the question is how they are alike and how they are different. For this, what the answer you will give? They are alike. How they are alike? Because both are 3D in shape. Okay, for both height is 7. This you can write. And the question is how they are different. So how they are different? First one is a cylinder and second one is a cube. So they are different. So you can write any sentence in your own words. Yes. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is a closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 is made up of sheet of metal. Now the question is how much sheet of metal is required? Yes, have a look. Question is closed cylindrical tank means we have to find it out total surface area. If the tank is closed means 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. So by putting the value in the formula, what we are getting, just have a look here. We will put the value in the formula and the result we are getting 440 meter square. So that is the amount of the sheet of metal required. Okay. Yes, here our question number 8 is. What is question number 8? The lateral surface area of hollow cylinder, it is given to us. Yes, lateral surface area means curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH. We are not considering bottom and top. Now it is cut along its height. Okay, so that height, cut along its height, that is the L, and when it cut, it formed a rectangular sheet of width 33. So that is the width. Now the question is what the perimeter sheet we are getting? We have to find out its perimeter. For that rectangular sheet, we have to find out perimeter. So what the question is given to us? Lateral surface area. So it is 4224. Yes. Now the height of hollow cylinder, it is 33. So if the radius is r, if radius is r, then how can we find out the curved surface area? It is 2 pi rh. Okay, but it is already given to us that 2 pi rh, it is equals to 4224. So putting the value, we can find the value of r. So r is known to us, it is 64 upon pi. Yes, now the question is here, length of rectangular sheet, it is L. Okay, so it is equals to 2 pi r. How it is 2 pi r? Because it is the bottom, and bottom when wrapped up it forms a circle. So that length, it is equals to the circumference. So it is 2 pi r. So putting the value in it, we can easily find out the value of L. Okay, and once length is known to us, Length is 128 centimeter. Once length is known to us, what we can find it out? We can find it out the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. What we are finding? The perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Okay, yes. Now question number 9. In question number 9, what is given to us? A road roller. It is taking 750 complete revolution to move once to level a road. Okay, and the diameter is 84 and the length is 1 meter. Now see it carefully. Diameter, it is given in centimeter and length is meter. So you have to take the similar unit, both in meter or both in centimeter. Yes. Now diameter is 84, then radius is 42. Okay. Length is 1 meter, so we will convert it. It is 100 centimeter. Yes. Now curved surface area formula is 2 pi r/h. So putting the value, we have find out the curved surface area. Yes. Now what we have to find out? Area covered by the roller in 750 revolution, because after 750 revolution it is the whole road. So we will multiply the area, the curved surface, by the total number of revolution, and we are finding the area. And one more thing, area is not in centimeters. So what we have to do? We have to find it in the meter square. Okay, so this is our question number 9. Okay, yes. Now question number 10, the last question of our exercise. A company packages its milk powder in a cylindrical container whose base diameter is 14 and height is 20. Okay, now just have a look to the diagram. In between there is a label of the container. Okay, and where label is placed? 2 centimeter from the bottom and 2 from the top. What we have to find out? The area of the label. Now, if the package, it is a cylinder, the container is cylindrical, so the label, it is also in the cylindrical container. So diameter is 14. What is the radius? 14 upon 2, that is 7. Height is 20. But the height of label is, we have to subtract 2 from the upside and 2 from the bottom side. Okay, because label is placed apart from 2 centimeter from top and bottom both. So we will subtract 4. So height is 16. Now what we will find out? The curved surface area of the label, that is 2 pi r/h. So putting the value, we can find out the area of the label, that is 704 centimeter square. So this is all regarding our exercise. With the help of this video, you can easily solve your exercise. Just complete your work. For any query, you can comment or message me. Thank you. Take